Welcome to this new English vocabulary video. Today, we are learning useful words that start with the letter X. You will discover simple definitions, common collocations, and easy examples to help you remember and use these words in real conversations. Let's learn together from X-ray to X-factor.
X-ray, a medical image of bones or inside the body. The doctor took an X-ray of my arm.
The doctor ordered a chest X-ray because I was coughing a lot. The airport uses an X-ray machine to check bags. The dentist showed me the X-ray image of my tooth. X-rays are very commonly used when we have bone injuries, fractures, or other problems with our bones. Now, let's look at the whole process step by step to learn and expand our English vocabulary. After a bad fall or a strong hit, a person may feel severe pain in an arm or a leg. If the pain does not go away, they usually visit a doctor or go to the hospital. The doctor often orders an X-ray to see if a bone is broken. After looking at the X-ray image, the doctor may discover a fracture. To help the bone heal correctly, the injured area is placed in a cast and kept still for several weeks. During this time, the patient must rest and avoid too much movement. When the bone becomes stronger, the doctor removes the cast. Sometimes the person still feels stiffness or weakness, so they may need physical therapy or simple exercises to recover strength and mobility. Little by little, the patient can move normally again and return to everyday activities. Now, let's look at the difference between some words and expressions that may seem similar but actually have different meanings and uses. Keep still means to stay quiet and not move your body or a part of your body for a short time. Doctors often use this expression during medical exams or X-rays. For example, a doctor may say, "Please keep still while I take the X-ray." It is a common and everyday expression. Immobilize is more technical and medical. It means to stop movement completely, usually to protect an injured bone, joint, or muscle. Doctors immobilize a fracture with a cast, splint, or bandage so the body can heal correctly. For example, the doctor immobilized the patient's arm after the accident. So, keep still is something the person does voluntarily, while immobilize usually means that something physically prevents movement. A physiotherapist is a healthcare professional who helps people recover movement, strength, and flexibility after an injury, surgery, or illness. They work with patients who have pain, fractures, muscle problems, or mobility difficulties. A physiotherapy session is an appointment where the patient performs exercises and treatments guided by the physiotherapist. These sessions may include stretching, strength exercises, massage, balance training, or mobility work. Rehabilitation is the complete recovery process after an injury or medical problem. It often includes physiotherapy sessions, exercises, rest, and gradual movement improvement. The goal of rehabilitation is to help the person return to normal daily activities and recover as much mobility and strength as possible. Now that we have expanded some useful medical vocabulary, let's go back to our English words that start with the letter X.
Xylophone, a musical instrument with bars you hit to make sounds. The child played the xylophone in music class. The little boy learned to play the xylophone at school. Xenophobia, fear or hatred of foreigners or strangers.
Many people are worried about growing xenophobia in society. The campaign spoke against racial xenophobia. The article discussed xenophobia against immigrants.
Xenon, a chemical element used in lights. Xenon gas is used in some types of car headlights.
The projector uses a powerful xenon lamp.
X-axis, the horizontal axis in a graph. The points are shown along the x-axis of the chart.
The graph has a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. The x-axis value shows the time in hours.
X-ray vision, the ability to see through objects, imaginary or superhero related.
The character used his X-ray vision powers to find the key.
Superman has X-ray vision to see through walls.
Superman can have X-ray vision in comic books.
Xerox, to make a copy using a photocopier.
Please make a Xerox of this document.
She Xeroxed the documents before the meeting.
I left the Xerox copy on your desk. Although Xerox is a famous brand name, many people use it informally as a verb meaning to photocopy or to make copies. For example, someone might say, "Can you Xerox this document for me?" However, in everyday English, people more commonly say, "make a copy," "photocopy," or simply "copy." In modern offices, scan and print is also common because many machines now combine printing, scanning, and copying functions. Using Xerox this way is very common in American English, especially in informal conversations.
A casual way to write Christmas. We always have a big party at Christmas.
They decorated the Christmas tree together. She received a nice Christmas gift from her friend. We visit our grandparents during the Christmas holidays.
X factor refers to a special quality that makes someone or something stand out, even if it's hard to define. It's often used to describe people with unique charm, talent, or appeal that sets them apart from others. She's a good singer, but he has the X factor, something special that grabs everyone's attention. She has the X factor that makes her a great singer.
That singer really has the X factor. Her confidence gives her a real star X factor. Well done! Now you know 9 unusual but real English words that start with X. Keep going and check out the next letter in our A to Z series.